Good morning, everyone. Today we'll solve our exercise. See the review song. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Okay. See what are the answers? Fill in the blanks. See the first one is the Aravalli range lies to the dash of the desert region. Okay. The Aravalli range lies to the dash of the Aravalli desert ranges lies to the Aravalli ranges is located the east of the desert. Okay, east side. It is lies the B option, east side, east of the desert region. And hot and dash winds blow in the desert, which mean dry winds. Okay, hot and dry winds. Hot and dry winds. Hot and dry winds blow in this region. And the third one is dash is one of the commonly found plants in the desert region. But in the desert region, which plants are there? The B, cactus. Okay, the cactus plants are here. Cactus are here. And Dash is an important city of the desert region in Rajasthan. Rajasthan ka important cities are, which are there? Jaisalmer, Jaipur and Chittor. So Udaipur is the cities. Okay, Udaipur. 4. Jodhpur. Jodhpur and Udaipur. Bikaner and is an important city of the desert region in this. Here it is given. See, Bikaner, Jodhpur are the two cities in the. So Udaipur and Bikaner. So here it is given Bikaner. You write a Bikaner. Not this one. Jodhpur. But here it is given the Bikaner and Jodhpur. Okay. So you write the city is it is a Bikaner. 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 And the desert region is dash populated, sparsely populated, not a thickly populated, not a highly populated. It is a sparsely populated. Sparsely populated. So the answer is over. Next one is the name the following. See the name the following. The second one is name the following. What are the questions? See, the first question is a place in the desert that has a water source and a date palms. See, a place in the desert that has a water source and a date palms. Water source are the underground water source are there and date palms are there. Which one? So oasis. That is oasis. You write oasis. The answer is oasis. The second one is Rajasthani men wear this on their heads to stay cool in the heat. Rajasthani men wear this on their head to stay cool in the heat. Pagdi. So you write, we say pagdi, but write pagdi. G-R-I. That is pagdi. Okay. And the next one, hills lying to the east of the Thar desert. Hills lying to the east of the Thar desert. Which hills? Aravalli hills. Okay, you write Aravalli hills. You write Aravalli hills. Next one, a cold desert. Cold desert is a Gobi desert. Okay, cold desert. Example of cold desert, which is a Gobi desert. Gobi desert. Clear? And the next one is write it true or for true and a for false. The winter months are very cold in the desert. Okay, the winter months are very cold in the desert. That is true. Okay, true. Winter seasons are very cold. The Thar is wet and white desert. No, it is a dry desert. So it is a false. And the Run of Kutch lies in the desert region. True. True. Run of Kutch is in this region. And all types of vegetation are found in desert. No, only cactus, kikar, babul and date palms are found in this region. So the last one is false. Okay, and the question next one is the question answer. See. Yes, I have given the some different new words, and see here it is given the western desert where it is a mark word, okay, and here it is new words and the define the terms. Sand dunes. For first one is the sand dunes. Dunes are large masses of wind-blown sand and are most common in desert environment. Banjaras. Who is Banjara? Banjaras are a nomadic community of a people. And oasis, a place in the desert where there is a water and where plants grow. Okay, simple. And so the question answers are, where is the Thar desert located? See, the Thar desert stretches from the Run of Kutch in Gujarat to the border of Haryana. And what languages do the people of Rajasthan speak? People speak Hindi and Rajasthani in Rajasthan. And the next question is, what are camels used for in desert? Listen, camels are primarily used for transportation and drawing water from wells and plowing fields in the desert, and they give a milk also. Why do villages develop around oases? Why do villages develop around the oasis? Villages develop around oasis as the availability of water facilities, the survival of life. Name 4 important cities of Rajasthan. 4 important cities of Rajasthan: Bikaner, Udaipur, Jaipur and Jaisalmer. Okay, these are the important cities of Rajasthan. Answer the question in detail. How do desert plants adapt to the condition of water scarcity? See, the question is, how do the desert plants adapt to the condition of water scarcity? Desert plants store underground water for store water for survival. See, desert plants store underground water. The desert plants are, they draw the underground water to store, and they store water in the stem. And why do desert have cold night? Why do desert have cold night? Desert have cold night because at night the heat escape into the space, which makes the temperature drop. What? The desert have a cold night because at night the heat escape into the space. Oh, Lucy sand है ना, so the heat escaped. Oh, बच जाता है, escape into the space, which makes the temperature drop. What are the kind of houses that can be found in the desert and why? What are the kind of houses? The kind of houses can be found in desert are the ones with the thick walls. Houses with thick walls and small windows to keep away the heat. And life skills question 1. Rajasthan in a well-known tourist destination. Why do you think a tourist like to visit Rajasthan? Why it is a tourist place? Okay, see, people like to visit Rajasthan because of places like Udaipur, Jaisalmer and Ajmer, which are famous for their palaces. Okay, here it is these cities, Udaipur, Jaisalmer and Ajmer are the famous palaces are there, and lakes are there, religious sites are there, and rich culture and heritages are there. Okay, in Rajasthan the famous cities have many important palaces are there, lakes are there, religious sites are there, and rich culture and heritages are there. So the Rajasthan is very famous for their tourism. Okay. Okay.